Hi, this is Roman Jankovic, Senior Product Marketing Manager for HVPAK product line. Today here in the Electronica, we're demoing some of our GreenPAK technology demonstrators. So we have several demos here, starting from this one. This is our solar tracker that uses AnalogPAK to find the maximum point of power and direct the whole system into that point. Here we have perception of view display. Really great attention grabber for our customers. When they come in, then we can talk more about our technology. Here we have a demonstration called AnalogPAK Demo Power Hub. Basically, it's a power chip that does the measurement for voltage, current calculation of the power, and also measuring the temperature, and then outputting it on the display. This hub is connected to other boards. We have our development board light here. We have our demonstrator for AnalogPAK SLG47003. We have 3 different designs, but using the same device. Okay. Now we have also here SLG47105 demo board that shows the control for DC motors, stepper motors, and LEDs, and all of this done just with one chip.